There was once a disciple of Hazrat Ghaus-e-Azam Abdul Qadir Jilani, rahmatullah. He had a young daughter who was born with a severe disability. She could not move her hands or legs at all. Her parents had to feed her, dress her, and take care of everything for her. One day the disciple's wife said to him, "Why don't we invite our spiritual master, Ghaus-e-Pak, to our home? If he prays for our daughter, maybe Allah will cure her." The man liked this idea. The very next day he traveled to Baghdad Sharif and respectfully invited Hazrat Ghaus-e-Pak to come to his house for a meal. When Ghaus-e-Pak heard the invitation, he stayed silent for a moment and then said, "Tomorrow I will come to your home." The following day, Hazrat Ghaus-e-Pak arrived at the disciple's house. He asked, "Bring the food that you have prepared for me." But instead of food, the disciple carried his disabled daughter and placed her in front of the saint. With tears in his eyes, he said, "Hazrat, this is my daughter. Either pray for her to be cured or pray for her death. We can no longer bear to see her suffer." Ghaus-e-Pak smiled gently. He raised his hands in dua and prayed to Allah. Then he looked at the girl and commanded, "Kum bibi isla." By the command of Allah, stand up. At once the girl stood on her feet, perfectly healthy. She was completely cured by the mercy of Allah. The parents wept with joy and thanked Ghaus-e-Pak. Then they asked him, "Hazrat, when we first invited you, you paused in silence. Why was that?" Ghaus-e-Pak replied, "When you were speaking at home, I could already hear your words from Baghdad. I did not answer immediately because I turned to Allah and prayed, 'Ya Allah, will this cure happen through me?' When Allah gave his permission, I accepted your invitation. And through the blessing of his dua, the girl was healed forever."
Thank you for watching my video. I will be back with my new video. Follow me, you don't miss it, my new video. Thank you. Bye.